So guys, I want to show you 3 different applications that will actually pay you to refer your friend with just your phone. You can do this strategy that I want to implement or that I want to reveal in today's tutorial video with your phone. Okay, but if you have a laptop, you can do it better with a laptop, but with a phone you can actually get started with this strategy. There are just 3 different websites that I want to talk about, and these 3 different websites can actually help you earn money on the side or even on a full-time scale or full-time basis by simply referring your friends to join this platform. So without too much of our time, guys, I want to move as fast as possible in order not to make this video get you bored, or in order not to make you get kind of tired and want to click off the video. So the website number 1 I'll be talking about today, or the application number 1 I'll be talking about today, as you all know, if you have a website, some of these websites do have applications. So the application number 1 I'll be talking about today is actually Mangoose. Okay, Mangoose actually happens to be an SEO tool. Like, it's a website that has a lot of SEO tools. It's an application that has a lot of SEO tools that you can actually use for digital marketing, or you can call it digital marketing tools like keyword research, SERP checker, SERP watcher, link miner, site profiler, and so on and so forth. So you can actually check out what these digital tools kind of serves, or the purpose they kind of serve. But keyword finders, you all know, if you're a website content creator, you're a YouTube content creator, you actually need to search for the ranking keywords, and Mangoose will actually help you know these ranking keywords that you can actually look out for when creating your content in order to rank very well. So if you're getting started on Mangoose, you need to understand that Mangoose is not 100% free. It actually has a paid plan, but you can get started for their free trial, at least for a 10 days free trial, and you can even make money from Mangoose affiliate program without having to purchase any of their pricing plan. So that's another amazing part or amazing story about Mangoose. So without much for our time, let's scroll down a little bit so that I'll show you where you can actually get started right away if you want to start making money on Mangoose by simply referring your friend. I've been doing this thing practically. Later on in this video, I will show you proof of how I have been doing this thing with my own account. Okay, so if you come over now to the bottom section, or the bottom line section here, as you can see, they have Mangoose, they have plans and pricing. Like I told you, Mangoose is not absolutely free. That's why they'll pay you to refer somebody to join their platform. If anybody that joins their platform through your referral link kind of signs up and buy a pricing plan, you make money from it. So if you come over now to the pricing plan, let's quickly check out the pricing plan so that we'll know what we will be recommending people to, or how much they should spend whenever we recommend them to the platform. So if I quickly open up the pricing plans, you can see they have the affiliate program. So the pricing plan is there and the affiliate program is there as well. So if I'm to quickly hit on the plans and pricing to see what it will actually cost any of your referral to stand the chance of purchasing, or you taking advantage of the Mangoose digital marketing tool, as you can see, they have the Mangoose basic for just $29, then Mangoose premium $44, then Mangoose agency $89, and they all goes out for monthly subscription. Although you can equally go for annually if you wish, but this one are on the monthly subscription. If you go for annually, maybe you get some discount. That's if you want to purchase the Mangoose digital tool or the Mangoose SEO tool. Okay, because as you can see, it's clearly stated SEO tool. As you all know, SEO controls the internet. If you are not good with SEO as a digital content creator, you actually find it difficult to succeed, and that's why platforms like Mangoose have already dedicated themselves to helping content creators with the best SEO research or the best SEO recommendation when it comes to creating digital content. So you can actually check out Mangoose even outside promoting it to make money by referring your friend. You can equally take advantage of Mangoose for content creation for yourself. So I'll be dropping my Mangoose referral link in this video description below so that you can actually check out Mangoose and stand the chance of making money as a digital content creator from Mangoose. So this is now the pricing plan, and you can see all of the features each and every of the pricing plan actually comes with, so you can easily subscribe and you start utilizing it. But if you are that person that wants to make money by simply referring your friend to Mangoose, let's go back now to the affiliate program. So if you come over now to the affiliate program of Mangoose and quickly hit on it, you're gonna see that Mangoose SEO 2 affiliate program, what you actually stand the chance of earning whenever you refer somebody, or whenever you refer somebody that pays or signs up for a plan on Mangoose, is actually 30% lifetime commission by promoting Mangoose SEO 2 used and loved by people all around the world since 2014. So Mangoose have been around the corner for a very long time, so that's why I'll advise you to actually start promoting Mangoose. So without much of our time, guys, all you just have to do if you want to join the Mangoose affiliate program is super easy. On several occasions I've talked about the Mangoose affiliate program. If you are that person that have been watching me consistently, or you're that person that have been following my tutorial content consistently, you might have in one way or the other come across my Mangoose tutorial videos on several occasions, which I will equally be dropping that video link or those video link in this video description below. So make sure you check it out to learn more about Mangoose affiliate program. So there is no approval process required if you want to join the affiliate program. That's one amazing thing about Mangoose. That's why I so much love them. Once you have the free Mangoose account, you automatically get access to the affiliate section. You can easily register now. Then after registering, the next thing you should put into consideration is to start promoting. We have highly engaging promo materials. You'll find codes with your unique affiliate ID. Just share it and start earning. So how do you actually start sharing? You need to have audience. You need to have marketing outlets, like maybe you have Instagram pages, you have YouTube channels just like me, you have Facebook pages where you can actually showcase this product and talk about it. You can talk to your friends one-on-one who happens to be digital content creators as well to sign up for the Mangoose and purchase a plan so that you can earn as well. Then the third session is to actually start earning and get your 30% from every recurring payment. Let's say somebody you refers to Mangoose actually signs up to the Mangoose premium plan and then keeps on renewing year after year. That's how you start earning 30% lifetime commission year after year. So that's for the Mangoose affiliate program. That's app number 1 that is capable of paying you with just your mobile phone. You can jump into Mangoose right away, sign up for the free account. You can start free trial right away, sign up for a free account, and then you get started. So let me quickly show you my own Mangoose account so that you will believe me. But before I do that, guys, my name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is I teach people how to make money online completely for free. So if you are joining me for the first time, just make sure you subscribe and like the video and drop your comments in the comment section below in case there's anything you want me to talk about more. So after creating your Mangoose account, this is what your Mangoose account will actually look like. This is the dashboard of my own personal Mangoose account. As you can see here, they have 5 SEO tools for your SEO needs. You have got all of them. Then this is keyword research, ranking tracking, backlink analysis, SEO metric, try our SEO extension, and all of that. They even have SEO extension too that you can download to your Chrome, and that's it. You get started right away. So guys, without much further now, let me take you over to my affiliate section where I have been practically practicing this thing and I've been kind of seeing gradual results. So if you scroll down a little bit, you see that I have 13 clicks already, and the 13 clicks, as you can see, this is actually the metrics, how it's going. So 13 people have actually joined Mangoose with my own referral link, but as soon as they start purchasing the pricing plan, I'll start earning right away. My earnings to start reflecting here. So this is how it actually works with Mangoose affiliate program. So that's website number 1 or application number 1 that is capable of paying you money completely by referring your friends. So let's talk about platform number 2 or app number 2, which is capable of earning you money by simply referring your friend. Is actually Payoneer. On several occasions, I've talked about Payoneer in my tutorial videos. On countless occasions, I've talked about Payoneer. That's because Payoneer is legit and is a very easy to use payment system. What Payoneer actually help you do is, if you happen to be a freelancer or a content creator, or you work online, you work with clients online, and at the end of the day you want to receive your money, you can actually receive your money with Payoneer. Payoneer is very good when it comes to international transactions and payments. As you can see here, your Payoneer account is your key to unlock a universe of opportunities. Whether you are making international payments, receiving funds, managing your digital business, or accessing capital, Payoneer opens your business up to the world. So you can quickly register on Payoneer now and get started. It's very easy. As you can see, the world go-to partner for digital commerce everywhere, like for freelancers. If you work on Upwork, Fiverr, Crossover, if you are equally into e-commerce, like you work on eBay, Walmart, Wayfair, or you are into content creation, like you create content like for Getty Image, Shutterstock, and Adobe, even as a digital marketer for Taboola, Google, Trade Doubler, and even under travel like Airbnb, Tuja, and VRBO, then under music and royalties, you can do TuneCore and Sound Trust, and all of these platforms are connected to Payoneer. You can actually use Payoneer to earn or withdraw your money from any of these platforms. So I've talked about Fiverr freelancing or Upwork freelancing on several occasions on my channel. So if you tend to venture into Fiverr on an Upwork freelancing platform, you need to withdraw money at the end of the day, and Payoneer is how you can actually do that. So if you have friends who are freelancers and they haven't heard of Payoneer before, you can recommend or suggest Payoneer for them. So if you scroll down a little bit to prove to you what I'm actually talking about, you see that they have the application that you can quickly download from your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store if you are an iOS user. So if you scroll down now, you're going to find the affiliate program of Payoneer. So this is actually the affiliate program. If you quickly hit on the affiliate program, which actually pays you for referring your friend, as you can see here, it's clearly stated, make money by being a Payoneer affiliate. Spread the word about Payoneer leading payment services and earn money. It's very easy. You can start earning right away by signing up. I've signed up. I've done a video tutorial on how to create an account with Payoneer. I'll be dropping the video link in this video description below so that you can watch. As you can see, earn high commission and grow your business by promoting Payoneer, secure, fast, and blah 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 blah. And this is how it actually works. Register is very simple to register to our Payoneer affiliate program for a unique registration link. Then the next thing is for you to start promoting us to your contacts, visitors, and customers. For every new customer that signs up through your link, get paid for every new customer that signs up through your link. Then you can start earning right away here. If you have a question about Payoneer affiliate program, click here to go to the frequently asked question and get cleared or get clarified more. So this is actually Payoneer right now. This is the affiliate program I've talked about. So let me quickly now take you over to my own Payoneer account and show you proof of what I'm talking about. If you come over now to my own Payoneer account right here, then I quickly hit on sign in. As soon as I quickly hit on sign in, it's going to bring me over to the section where I can just quickly hit on sign in. Then as soon as I hit on sign in, just like I told you, this is my own personal Payoneer account now. As you can see, one amazing thing about Payoneer is that it gives you opportunity to own 3 different foreign bank accounts in just one platform. Like as you can see, you have options of getting an account in the United States US dollar, and even in the European euros, and even in the Great British pounds. So these are all of the amazing opportunities when it comes to international banking or online banking that Payoneer have actually made available for us. So I believe it's something your friends will equally like. So that's why you have to promote Payoneer to your friends, so that you can make money from it while they use it for international transaction. Then if you come over now to this section that says business and network, if I'm to open it, then I come over to this section that says refer a friend. This is the section where you actually make money for referring your friend. As you can see, I've already gotten 12 people joining Payoneer with my own referral link. As you can see, this is your own promotional referral link. This is my own personal promotional referral link. Now, if you create an account or join the Payoneer affiliate program or referral program, this is where you're going to find your referral link. As you can see, 12 joined direct link. People that are joining with my direct link, 12 already. So that's to say that it is working. You earn $25 when you refer a friend to Payoneer. I think that's when your friends actually make a transaction of around $250 with their created account that they did with your sign up link. So hopefully maybe one of these days, my referrals will actually start making huge transaction, and that's how I'll just come over to my Payoneer account and see huge amounts of money in there. Okay, so that's for Payoneer. Then the last one I'll be talking about today is, or the last application or the last website I'll be talking about for today that is capable of earning new money by simply referring your friend, is actually the Fiverr referral program. Yes, I know you might have heard of Fiverr on several locations. You know Fiverr very well. It's a freelance marketplace where you can jump in and start selling your talent, start selling your digital skill, even on web design, WordPress design, logo design, AI services. As you can see here, they have different skills that you can render in order to make money from it, under graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music or audio, programming and tech, photography, business, AI services. You can actually render different forms of services on Fiverr in order to make money. As you can see, people are doing it full time. Okay, this one is a social media marketing manager that is charging around $215 to do this thing on Fiverr, and people are employing her. People are hiring her to do these tasks for them, and she's making cool cash. So as you can see, these are all of the popular professional services that you can actually render here: AI artist, logo design, and all of that. So you can actually recommend your friends to Fiverr and tell them that there is a platform where they can make money by simply utilizing their digital skill. Yes, I'm a user of Fiverr, and I have my gig created on Fiverr on video editing. I do video editing on Fiverr, and I know how benefiting it has been to me. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit now to the bottom section, you have the affiliate program, and you equally have the invite a friend. So the invite a friend is what we'll be looking out for. If you quickly click on the invite a friend section, it's going to bring you over to the section that says invite a friend, and you both get up to $100. Introducing your friend to the easiest way to get things done. Like, you can even tell your friends that, hey, if you need a social media manager, go over to Fiverr and sign up. You can find social media managers there. If you need a video editor, go over to Fiverr and sign up. You can find video editors there. So if your friend comes over to Fiverr and purchase any of the freelance services available here on Fiverr, that's how you make $100, and your friend equally makes $100. Like, you both make $100. That's a nice way to make money by simply recommending your friend. It's very easy. It works in 3 different ways. Like, you spread the word by email or with your link via social sharing. Like I told you, you need to have social presence in order to make money with this stuff. You need people that you showcase this thing to. If you don't want to do it physically by walking to your friends one after the other, then your friend signs up to Fiverr and gets 10% of their first purchase. Then you get 10% of the first order amount up to $100. Okay, don't let your friends waste another minute, blah 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 blah. So that's how easy it is. So if you still go back now to the Fiverr homepage, all you just have to do is to hit on join. I've done tutorial videos on how to create an account with Fiverr, which I'll be dropping the video link in this video description below to save us time. So just join and then create an account with them. So to quickly show you how this thing works, after you might have created an account with Fiverr, as you can see, this is my own personal account that I've already created with Fiverr, and I'm active here on Fiverr, very much active. I have some gig already set up on Fiverr. Then after creating your own normal account, then you scroll down a little bit, you come over now to the invite a friend section. Due to the fact that you have already created an account, automatically you will be signed in into the invite a friend or referral section. As you can see, this is my invite link. This is my own referral link now that I can just copy and start recommending people with it, and if they purchase, I make money from it. So I'll be dropping my own Fiverr referral link in this video description below in case you want to purchase any service on Fiverr or any freelance service on Fiverr. You can purchase through my link. So guys, I believe this way I just have to quickly call it a wrap. Do not forget, my name still remains Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube, I teach you how to make money online from scratch. It doesn't matter who you are, where you're coming from. You can be a newbie. You can actually learn from my YouTube channel 100%. So guys, I just have to call it a wrap. Until we meet again, I just have to say I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace.